The Aquastrong Inverter Heat Pump is designed to extend your swimming season with its dual-mode heating and cooling capabilities, maintaining comfortable water temperatures throughout the year. With a powerful output of 35,000 British thermal units, this heat pump efficiently warms pools up to 9,000 gallons, making it suitable for larger pools or colder regions. Thanks to its intelligent inverter technology, the pump achieves significant energy savings, offering up to 70% reduction in energy consumption compared to traditional electric systems. The ultra-quiet operation, producing only 48 decibels of noise, ensures a peaceful environment, while the automatic defrosting system allows for continuous performance even in winter conditions. The heat pump is easy to install, featuring multiple connection options to suit different pool types, and comes with a reassuring 3-year warranty for reliability and peace of mind. With Wi-Fi capability, users can conveniently control the pump remotely via an app, allowing for temperature adjustments, energy monitoring, and scheduling to match personal preferences.